This year, I'm on a mission to declutter and organize our entire house to complement our slow and simple lifestyle. So far, I've tackled 9 out of 16 spaces. In this video, I'm focusing on the kitchen and dining area, starting with the cabinets and drawers in the kitchen. I do deep clean our entire kitchen on a monthly basis at 1 or 2 tasks per week. One of those tasks is to go through our kitchen cabinets and drawers to clean and declutter them throughout the course of 1 week. So going in, I knew there wasn't going to be too much clutter in here, but it was that time of the month again to go through the cabinets anyway. We got new glass bowls, so this is gone. We've had our plastic mixing bowls for several years, and I had been so wanting to replace them with glass for a while. So when my in-laws offered us their beautiful set of 5 glass mixing bowls as they're working on downsizing, I was ecstatic. It's the little things. This is just my canning cabinet for one day when I learn how to can. And I already know that's good, so that's done. Oh, here's something. This came with our dishwasher. It's to wash chopsticks or wine glasses, but we've never used it in over 2 years. So that can go. Cutting boards, okay. Oh, this is my pots and pans cabinet. I don't need to really get rid of anything in here. It does need a tidy though. Nice. That's good. That's just our extra pantry food storage containers mostly in there. That's good too. Yeah, I don't think I need to get rid of anything in here either. Yep, okay. That's good. Okay. Oh, I think I want to relocate this to the garage because I hate it and it's too heavy. It doesn't really fit anywhere, not in the cabinets anyway. We don't use it enough to keep it out on the counters. So I might try to convince my husband to get rid of it once and for all, but for now, I'll keep it in the garage. I don't think I'll be able to convince him, but it doesn't need to be in here. Oh, gosh. That's better. Oh, look at that. Alright, here is what I'm removing from the kitchen. Not much. I knew it wasn't going to be a lot, but this is going to be relocated to the garage. This, I don't know if you can donate this. It's just an attachment you put on the top rack of your dishwasher. I don't know. I might end up throwing it away. And this bowl is so stained. I might throw this away too. I don't know if I want to make somebody buy this at the Goodwill. Then I've got some extra spices that need to be relocated to my basket. And this is trash. And that's it. Yep. And there we have it, a lighter, bit more organized kitchen and dining area. I'm not quite sure what space I want to declutter and organize next, maybe the home office or living room, but we shall see.